Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap on it. And as you can see right here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. As you can see, I've been using it for almost 2 hours. I've got 2 unlocks and 406 notifications. We've got also 2 different ways to check some further details. You can tap inside this graph and we will be transferred to the dashboard connected with the total screen time, so you can check how much time you've spent on the screen in particular days. Under it you've got the apps listed, of course you can check them. You can also change the screen time to the notifications and times opened. And the second way is to tap on the app, so in my case settings or other, but let me pick the settings. And as you can see, again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with one app, so you can check the exact time in particular days. Again, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.